In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a tab in Google Sheets, a handy skill that helps keep your spreadsheets organized and easy to navigate. Whether you're collaborating on a project or managing your own data, knowing how to rename tabs effectively can make a big difference in your workflow. Let's get started. First things first, open the Google Sheets document where you'd like to rename a tab. If you don't already have a Google Sheet ready, you can easily create a new one by heading over to Google Sheets, clicking on the blank option, and getting started. Once you're inside the spreadsheet, focus your attention on the bottom of the screen where the tabs are located. By default, you might see tabs named in a generic fashion like Sheet 1 or Sheet 2. We'll begin by renaming Sheet 1. To do this, simply double-click on the tab that says Sheet 1. This action will highlight the tab's name, allowing you to edit it. Here, you can type in a new name that better reflects the content or purpose of that sheet. Let's rename this tab to P-Value. This new name should help you quickly identify what kind of data or calculations are contained within that tab when you revisit it in the future. Once you've successfully renamed Sheet 1, let's move on to renaming another tab. Click on the tab named Sheet 2 to select it. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow next to the name. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select the Rename option. Doing so will again highlight the tab's name, enabling you to type in a new one. Let's update the name to something more descriptive, like Dale's Data Report. Giving your tabs meaningful names not only helps you, but can also make it easier for anyone else who might be viewing or collaborating on the sheet. After you've renamed the tabs, you might want to quickly preview how everything looks. Your changes are saved automatically in Google Sheets, so there's no need to worry about losing your edits. To check if everything is good, click anywhere outside the current tab. You should see the new tab names appear neatly at the bottom of your sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to rename tabs in Google Sheets. This simple task can significantly enhance the organization and clarity of your spreadsheet files, making it easier to manage information efficiently. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out other helpful tips for getting the most out of Google Sheets.